Welcome to the dear students. I am Grish Mollik, assistant teacher of Chunkuri Secondary School. Dear students, I am going to class in 9 English first paper, Unit 5, lesson on. Dear students, we have to learn in this class read and understand text through silent reading, listen for information, ask and answer questions, infer meaning from context, write answer to questions, etc. Dear students, here is a picture. What kind of it is it? And another picture is coming. It is, and another picture is coming. So they are the river erosion. Okay, now we are going to learn about the great of the mighty rivers. Okay, dear students, read and following text and next answer the questions. Okay, dear students, follow the text. Okay, Meherjan lives in a farm on the Sirajganj town protection embankment. Her polythene-roofed shelter looks like a case. She is nearly 45 but looks more than her age. In front of her shelter, she is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. Her weak hands tremble as she adds some fallen leaves and straw to the fire. The whispering window from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. The dancing flames remind Meherjan of the turmoil in her life. Not long ago, Meherjan had everything: a family, cultivable land, and cattle. The erosion of the Jamuna gradually consumed all her landed property. It finally claimed her only shelter during the last monsoon. It took the river only a day to devour Meher's house, trees, vegetables, gardens, and the bamboo bush. She had a happy family once. Over the years, she lost her husband and her family to diseases that cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. Now she is the only one left to live on with the loss and the pain. The great Jamuna has shattered her dreams and happiness. Dear students, there are thousand others waiting to share the same fate like Meherjan. Bangladesh is a land of rivers, some of whose bank overflow or erode during monsoon. Erosion is a harsh reality for the people living along the river banks. During each monsoon, many more villages are threatened by the mighty rivers like the Jamuna, the Padma, and the Meghna. It is estimated that river erosion makes at least 1 million people homeless every year in Bangladesh. In fact, river erosion is one of the main dangers caused by climate change. If we can't take prompt action to adapt to climate change, there will be thousands of more Meherjans in our towns and villages every year. Okay, dear students, now you practice vocabulary. Here are some words and meaning. Protection, that's noun, and its meaning is the action protecting someone or something. Then the word roof, it is noun, and its mean the structure forming the upper covering of a building or vehicle. It's called roof. Shelter, that's noun. A place giving temporary protection from bad weather or danger. It's called shelter. Tremble, it's verb. A tremble feeling, movement or sound. That situation is called tremble. Flames, it's noun. A hot glowing body of ignited gas that is generated by something or fire on fire. Okay. Turmoil, it's noun. A state of great disturbance, confusion or uncertainty. It's called turmoil. Erosion, it's noun. The process of eroding by winds, water or other natural agents. That situation is called erosion. Prompt, it's adjective. It's mean very quick. Okay, dear students. Now we are going to see some questions and you are practice in your notebook and write the answers. Okay, dear students, now we see the questions. Number 1. What does Meherjan use to make fire for cooking her meals? Number 2. What property did Meherjan lose due to river erosion? Number 3. What do you know about Meherjan's family? Number 4. In which season is river erosion most likely to occur? Number 5. Why is the phrase Grady Jamuna used to describe the river? What grid do you notice in the description? Dear students, now you are writing in your, you will be write in your notebook the answers within 15 minutes, per questions 3 minutes time. So you will try your best. Dear students, thank you. Probable answer I will give you. So look at the answer. So number 1, here is answer. Probable answer is Meherjan uses fallen leaves and straw to make fire for cooking her meals. Okay, dear students. Next answer is Meherjan lost her family, cultivable land, cattle due to river erosion. Okay, dear students. Next, only Meherjan had a happy family. She had cultivable land and cattle, but the erosion of the river Jamuna consumed all of her properties. All other members of her family died of different diseases caused by poverty and hunger. Question number 4, and answer is river erosion most likely occurs during monsoon. Okay, dear students, you have already write the right answer. Okay, thank you. Next question, question number 5, and the answer is the phrase Grady Jamuna is used to mean the reckless destruction of the river that occurs every year. The river has tremendous greed to devour all that comes in its way. The erosion of the river destroys houses, trees, fields, and so on. It doesn't spare anything and never stops. So the river has been called Grady. Okay, dear students, I think you have already done well. So, dear students, now it's your homework. You will practice in your home or reading room. So now the work is, recently you have seen the river erosion in your locality. So write a paragraph about the river erosion. Dear students, you have to write within 100 words. Okay, dear students, thank you everybody. Goodbye.